Hello everyone, how is it going? Welcome back to Reefs. I'm super excited to have you guys today, and today we're going to be talking about how much I've made off my Instagram theme pages. I'm making this video to show you guys and give you guys some insight on how much you can actually make running Instagram theme pages in 2020. And again, like I mentioned in all the videos where I'm telling you about how much I make, I am making this video not to flex. No, I'm not trying to flex on you guys, okay? I don't need to do that. We don't need to go there. But okay, so for these videos, I'm just making these videos to give you guys insight on how much you can expect to make, how much people are actually making, just giving you guys information. Also, I do want to say, please leave a like on this video. I made my bed for this video, like always, so therefore you have to like this video. Also, been looking at my analytics real late at night when no one's watching. I like to look at my analytics and see how many percent of the viewers watching my videos are subscribed, and it's a very low percent, and that is not very cool. So if you guys want to make me happy, I would really appreciate you guys subscribing with that little bell notification so you guys don't miss any videos from me, and you guys can get endless information coming out of my mouth, which is fantastic. Obviously not for you guys, but for me. But anyway, we can get into this video. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about how much I've made in total off my Instagram theme pages ever since starting them. I started making Instagram theme pages and kind of just running them for a very long time now, probably a year and a half. So the only thing that really matters is that I started them and I was able to monetize them. So there's that. Started them about a year and a half ago. I think I have 10 pages total, 10 theme pages across multiple devices. Don't ask. I have a lot of iPhones. Yeah. Okay, so I have 10 theme pages around, and I've had a lot more, guys. I've probably had 20 theme pages in my life. Now, I've either converted them to a better subject, or I just gave up. We don't want to talk about the ones where I gave up. Don't give up on your theme page, guys. Either convert it or just keep going, because there's, yeah, just don't give up. Anyway, I've had about 20 that I've ran over the courses of the last year, but I have about 10 right now that I'm actively using every day, and they're all in the same niche. Actually, don't ask again. You know, not a good suggestion. Don't make 10 of the same theme pages, but it makes it very easy for content. I'll explain in a second. Okay, so pretty much I have 10 pages in the Instagram niche of TikTok, where I'm reposting relatable TikToks and like very like teen centered relatable TikToks that I'm posting every single day. Now you're probably wondering why I have 10 of the same exact page. Okay, you can offset the posts, and pretty much what I do is on 5 of the pages I post one thing one day, and then on 5 I post another thing one day. They all have the same caption, all the same post, and they just have different followers. I targeted different people so that there's not a cross between all of them, which is great. My hair, dude. Oh. Alright, that's better. I've saved you guys the fondling of my hair for the rest of the video. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so I have 10 pages, post different content every single day on all 10 pages, and pretty much they're all in the same niche. And the ways I was really able to monetize them is a lot of people actually ask for shoutouts in these niche, like the teen category. Like, there's a lot of TikTok influencers that just want to buy promotion on the pages. So to give you guys a rough estimate on how much I've made off just, you know, promotions of other people and paid shoutouts, pretty much, I would say in total it's around $300 I've made over a year, which is not amazing, but hey, all the pages were free to make, and that's passive income. $300 total from people just paying for promotions, I would say, is a good estimate. You know, I don't know exactly because I don't track these like I should, but that's besides the point. Okay, another avenue of revenue. Oh, that rhymed. Another avenue of revenue that I have is for brand product placement, which is like advertising, and yeah. So as far as that, I get those a lot. There's a lot of drop shippers out there. I see a lot of you guys. I know what you guys are doing. You know, I'm upcharging you guys. Look. Anyway, so there's a lot of drop shippers that want to promote on these types of pages. A lot of clothing brands, clothing companies. Yeah, mostly drop shipping products, but yeah. Pretty much over the past year, on all 10 of my pages, I was able to make around $500 for brand promotion and product placement. Hold on, let me explain a little bit. Okay, across 10 pages, I have probably 40,000 followers. I have one page with 25,000 and a few other pages with 5,000. You know what? Actually, probably around 50,000 followers total. Yeah, my math is bad, but anyway. 50,000 followers total, 10 pages, probably 5 of them have like 1,000, and then a few of them have 5,000 or whatever. I have a pretty low amount of followers total across the theme pages, which is okay. You know, I've not been consistently posting, but I've been making a pretty good, decent amount of profit. So 500 across the total for ad placements and product placements in general, and then 300 from people paying for promos. Now, time to get into the real meat, the real way I'm making a lot of money, and why I'm not crying myself to sleep every night about only making $800 in a year. Here we go. Now, the number one source of income for these pages is through an app called the Plug app. This app is a hub of different apps where you can select offers that give you a certain amount of money per download, a monetary amount per download, normally around $1. And what I would do is I would make my own advertisement. Now, you can either take an advertisement from their app and you can use it and just repost it onto your page. But I don't like to do that. I like to be special, and I made my own advertisements, and I found that works way better. So I was making my own advertisements, posting them once a week on my pages, and I was able to do around $2,000 a month on total for all my pages. Just promoting these ads are getting $1 per download on these apps most of the time. And this has been the really big money maker for these theme pages. And I think that's where theme pages can really, you know, explode, make you a pretty decent amount of money. Now, remember, I have like 10 pages, and like total, I have like 50,000 followers. So not a lot of followers that I do have in total. And I'm still able to make, you know, $2,000 to $2,200 to $500 a month. Just having 50,000 followers on Instagram and theme pages, which is pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie, pretty good revenue to follower ratio. And if you guys want to check out the app, you know, I'm not paid or anything, but you can go download it, and you guys can use my referral codes, and I would really appreciate it. And you get some plug coins as well, which you can trade in for actual cash, and you can deposit every day. It's straight to your PayPal, so it's very nice. So that's pretty much it. So for in total, in a month, you know, I can expect to make $2,200 a month off my Instagram theme pages. And today's video was kind of just talking about how I was making that money, and, you know, what sources of revenue I have for those theme pages, how much followers I have, how many theme pages I do have, how many I can run. Look, guys, it's very easy to run a theme page. Yo, the 10 theme pages that I run take me about 10 minutes a day to actually run and keep going, keep building, keep growing. And it's very simple. The ads take 10 minutes to make. I make them, I post them, and it's very passive income, let me tell you guys that. And that's pretty much all I have for today, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys found this video helpful, please be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe with post notifications on. I would really appreciate that. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Reefs, and go make some money.